Hi guys, welcome back to the video. Today in this video I've got these two annoying freaks and basically I'm going to be trying some sour jelly beans, Warheads sour jelly beans and Warheads sour chewy cubes. So yeah, let's get started. I'm going to try the jelly beans first and I'm going to try all the flavours and I'm going to tell you which flavour is. I'm going to give each flavour a score out of 10. So, first flavour is apple. Okay, let's go. Go. Pretty sour. I'm not doing that anymore. We're not doing it anymore. You're not doing it.
I'm going to give that
I'm going to give that a 7 out of 10.
I'm going to give that a 8 out of 10. Winter, what do you give it?
Oh my god, I got watermelon.
We've just done apple. We've just done apple. Not flipping. I don't know.
I'm going to give that 10.
What did I say about talking over me?
Okay.
What did I say about talking over me?
Okay, I got to stop.
Yeah. Get off. Yeah.
Get off.
Get out, shot. Come on. Next flavour I'm going to try is blue raspberry. I'm going to give that flavour 8 out of 10.
I'm going to give that a 8 out of 10 again.
No, I'm going to give it a 9 out of 10. 9 out of 10.
8 out of 10. I got watermelon cake.
Oh my god. Wait, I've only got a pink. Where's the pink? I haven't got a dark one. Wait, I have, yeah. Next flavour is watermelon. Yeah, this is watermelon. This light pink one.
I'm going to give that a 10 out of 10.
I'm going to give that a 7 out of 10.
I love watermelon, so I'll give it a 10.
And
I mean, it's nice. Next one is, I think this is black cherry or just cherry. I'm not really sure. Let's go ahead. Nearly choking. I'm giving out a 9 out of 10. I don't think any of these flavours are that nice, like, there's something like
9 out of 10.
a pretty weird after, it's like an aftertaste I don't really like, but I do, I don't know.
I'm going to give it that much.
Mom? 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 Is she in the bathroom? My mum was in the bathroom. I thought she was in the bathroom.
She went ages ago.
I thought she was in the bathroom. Okay, I thought my mum was in the bathroom next door, but she's not. That's scary because I thought she would. Have I tried lemon yet?
No.
So here we have the lemon. Oh. Nice and sour. I'm going to give that one a 7 out of 10. So basically, the best flavours out of these were blue raspberry and black cherry, it seems. So, yeah. And here we have the chewy sour cubes. Sour chewy cubes. The first flavour I'm going to try is what? Orange. So here we have the orange here. Let's go ahead and wait, that might be watermelon. Yeah, it is watermelon, I think. I don't know. Can't tell. Here is the orange. Pretty sour. Pretty sour.
Yeah, so is it? This is watermelon. And it's pretty sour.
Wait, I'm going to give that a 6 out of 10. Because
5 out of 10.
I don't really like orange
So.
and lime and lemon sweets, like flavours. That's more sort of my dad's.
I love lemon and lime.
I do like them, but I just think they're not as good as like strawberry and watermelon and raspberry and stuff and apple.
Cherry.
I think like the sour flake, like the sours are not as good as like the berries and stuff.
Say it again.
Here we have a
Strawberry.
strawberry.
I think the best sour sweet you can get is apple.
Yeah.
One of the best, basically.
I'll give that. And 8 out of 10. Because it's like sour
None
and stuff, then it gets a bit plain after. Here we have blue raspberry.
I don't want any arguments on
Blue raspberry.
downstairs.
10 out of 10. 10 out of 10. The first 10 out of 10 today.
The other one.
The first 10 out of 10.
I'm gonna
Second
give the
10 out of
other
10.
one 2. Because it's watermelon.
Anyway, I've got to end the video here.
We're just
So
saying
I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.
We're just